Hi, my name is Eustace Osariman Eustace, and today we're going to be learning about Pascal's triangle, solving binomial theorems, expressions. So this Pascal's triangle can be used to solve expressions like a plus b all raised to the power of n. And so we're going to find out how, for centuries, we have been using this Pascal's triangle to be able to solve um, complex word problems. So let's dive into it. Our first question is 1 minus 2x all raised to the power of 4. So let's represent the Pascal's triangle over here. We start with 1, then we'll bring another 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then we lock the ends with 1 and 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. We lock the ends with 1, 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. We lock the ends with 1 and 1. So as you can see, 4. This is what we need. So we don't need any of these other ones up here. I just use these to show you how we obtain them. So I'm going to wipe all the rest of these out because this is what we need. Okay, so let's dive in. I'm sure you're wondering how we need this, and I'm about to show you that right now. So we start by putting 1 times, you put this one here, and then times minus 2x. Then 4, that's plus 4, 1, and minus 2x, plus 6 times 1 and minus 2x, and then plus 4 again, times 1 times minus 2x, and then finally 1 plus 1 times 1 times minus 2x. You close that bracket. So I'm about to show you something about the power. So first, you are going to start with 4 and 0. So as this one is decreasing, this one increases. So once this one becomes 3, this one increases to 1. Once this becomes 2, this one increases to 2. Once this becomes 1, this is automatically 3. And then once this is 0, this is 4. Now you're seeing the pattern, I'm sure. So let's dive in. Now 1 times 1 raised to the power of 4. Now 1 raised to the power of 4 is the same thing as 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which is the same thing as 1. So that's going to be 1. That's going to be 1 times, you see this minus 2x raised to the power of 0. You should note that anything raised to the power of 0 is going to give you 1. It's a law and you have to abide by it. So that's going to be 1 plus 4 times 1 raised to the power of 3 is going to give you 1, as I showed you before. So that's going to be 1. 4 times 1 is 4. So we'll put down the 4 times anything raised to the power of 1 is that same thing. So we're going to put minus 2x. Now plus 6 times this 1 raised to the power of 2 is the same thing as 1. So 6 times 1 is 6 plus 6 times this minus 2x all squared is the same thing as minus 2x times minus 2x. So then minus times minus will give you plus. 2 times 2 will give you 4. X times x gives you x squared. So that's what we're going to put there. We're going to put 4x squared. 1 raised to the power of 1 is the same thing as 1. So 4 times 1 is going to be 4 plus 4, open bracket, minus 2x cubed. That's minus 2x times minus 2x times minus 2x. So that's going to be minus times minus plus. Plus times minus minus minus. That's 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. X times x times x is x cubed minus 8x cubed. You close that bracket. Let me erase this. Now on to the next one. Plus 1 all raised power of 0. I already told you that anything raised power of 0 is same thing as 1. So 1 times 1 is going to give you 1 times minus 2x all raised power of 4 minus 2x times minus 2x times minus 2x times minus 2x. Minus times minus plus. Plus times minus minus. Minus times minus plus. So you put down the plus. 2 times 2 times 2, that's 8 times 2 is 16. X times x times x times x is x raised to the power of 4. So that's what we put. Plus 16x raised to the power of 4. So let's start putting things. Let's collect like terms now. 1 times 1 is 1. Plus times minus is going to give you minus 4 times 2, 8x, plus 6 times 4, 24, x squared, plus times minus is going to give you minus 4 times 8x cubed is 32x cubed, plus 16x all raised to the power of 4. So that's going to be 1 plus times minus minus 8x plus 24x squared minus, because plus times minus is minus, 32x cubed plus 16x all raised to the power of 4. So I hope you understood all what I just did, and I want you guys to try your hands on this question. That's 1 minus 4x all raised to the power of 3. Try your hands on that. I'm sure you know how it goes. So I hope you understood everything that I just told you about. Please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified in case any other video like this comes up. Thank you.